Welcome to Using Drones to Elevate NYCHA. In this video, we'll explore the innovative ways in which drones are being used to transform our environment. From enhancing design processes to discovering new ways to better maintain, these high-flying devices are ushering in a new wave of efficiency. Join us as we soar above rooftops, inspect building facades, and dive into countless possibilities that drones can offer New York City Housing Authority. My name is Jiggets. I'm the Standards Administrator here at NYCHA, and I'll be your guide. So buckle up and let's get ready to take flight and discover how drones are reshaping our environment.
There are three places we want to use drones to impact our properties and projects. 1. The design process. 2. The construction phase. And 3. After the project is complete. First, let's talk about the design process. In the initial stages of a project, the first step is to capture an accurate snapshot of the existing conditions. Drones give us the capability to simultaneously scan the area of work and then render a to-scale, three-dimensional digital model. This model can be saved in a few different formats, but the one we'll need for this application is called point cloud. The accuracy of this model is precise enough to dimension areas, obtain square footages, and perform quantity takeoffs. Afterwards, we're able to import the point cloud model into our design software and then use it as a reference for creating a 3D building information model. That's a component-based model you can pack specific information into. The second area we want to use drones is during the construction phase. Aerial imagery is an excellent way to document construction progress when reaching key milestones. It provides a visual record of the project's development, providing stakeholders a glimpse into the progress in real time. This enhances communication amongst project stakeholders, including project managers, contractors, property managers, architects, engineers, and tenant association presidents. Documenting milestones helps identify any deviations from a project plan or specifications early on. This allows for timely corrections, ensuring that the work meets a certain level of quality and standards. Lastly, the third way we want to use drones takes place after the project is complete. We want to celebrate the success of a project completion, and drones can capture high-resolution imagery to create detailed as-built documentation. This provides an accurate record of the completed project, which is invaluable for future reference, renovations, or expansions. Regular drone inspections can help property owners or managers identify maintenance needs, structural issues, or wear and tear from the building's infrastructure. This proactive approach ensures that maintenance is performed properly, extending the lifespan of the construction. Drones can also equip thermal cameras, which can identify areas of heat loss within a building. The information can be used to improve energy efficiency by identifying areas that need better insulation or sealing.
These are just a few ways that drones are helping to elevate NYCHA. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to a NYCHA staffer.